Describe the integumentary system. The largest organ and system in the body is the skin, a natural protective covering or integument. Skin prevents injury to internal organs and it protects the body against entry of bacteria. Skin also prevents the loss of too much water, which is essential to life. Skin is made up of layers of tissues. Within these layers are sweat glands, which secrete sweat to help cool the body when needed, and sebaceous glands, which secrete oil, or otherwise known as sebum, to keep the skin lubricated. The skin is also a sense organ that feels heat, cold, pain, touch, and pressure. It then tells the brain what it is feeling. Body temperature is regulated in the skin. Blood vessels dilate or widen when the outside temperature is too high. This brings more blood to the body's surface to cool it off. The same blood vessels constrict or narrow when the outside temperature is too cold. By restricting the amount of blood reaching the skin, the blood vessels help the body retain heat. Capillaries, the smallest blood vessels in the body, are located in the dermis, which is the inner layer of the skin. Because of this, the specimen collection procedure called capillary puncture is also known as dermal puncture. The dermis also contains nerves, sweat glands, sebaceous oil glands, and hair roots. Sweat glands help control body temperature by secreting sweat. Sweat is made up of mostly water, but it also contains salt and a small amount of waste products. Sweat comes to the body's surface through pores or tiny openings in the skin. It cools the body as it evaporates. Sebaceous glands in the dermis secrete sebum oil. Sebum comes to the skin surface through hair follicles or roots. Sebum keeps the skin and hair lubricated. No blood vessels and only a few nerve endings are located in the epidermis, which is the outer layer of the skin. Thinner than the dermis, the epidermis contains both dead and living cells. The dead cells begin deeper in the epidermis. They are pushed to the surface as other cells divide and are eventually worn off. The dermis also contains pigment cells that give skin its color. Hair grows from roots located in the dermis. It grows through hair follicles that extend through the epidermis to the outside of the body. Hair protects the body from heat and cold. Hair inside the nose and ears keeps out particles and bacteria trying to enter the body. The functions of the integumentary system are to protect internal organs from injury, protect the body against bacteria, and prevent the loss of too much water. It also responds to heat, cold, pain, touch, and pressure, and it regulates body temperature. For phlebotomists, it's important to understand that allergies occur due to an overactive response by the immune system, but they often produce symptoms in the integumentary system. Hives and rashes might indicate an allergic response. Blood testing can help determine whether allergy plays a role in integumentary system problems. Blood tests for IgE, a type of antibody, protein, and an antibody is a protein made by the body to protect against foreign substances, may be ordered. IgE is produced as part of an allergic reaction. A complete blood count may also be ordered, as allergies can increase the number of a particular type of white blood cell in a person's blood.